I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a healthy quinoa salad. First, gather all your fresh ingredients. You'll want colorful vegetables, a good quality quinoa, and some fresh herbs. Make sure to rinse your quinoa well under cold water before cooking to remove any bitterness. This simple step ensures a delicious base for your meal. Then, prepare your cooking pot and measure out your water. To cook your quinoa perfectly, combine 2 parts water with 1 part quinoa in a pot. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and simmer for about 15 minutes. All the water should be absorbed. After cooking, let it rest, still covered, for 5 minutes. Finally, fluff the quinoa gently with a fork to separate the grains, making it light and airy. While your quinoa cools, prepare your fresh vegetables. Choose a variety of colors and textures, like crisp bell peppers, juicy tomatoes, and refreshing cucumbers. Dice them into small, even pieces for a pleasant bite. For the dressing, whisk together 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, and your favorite chopped herbs. Season with a pinch of salt and pepper. Now it's time to bring everything together. In a large bowl, combine your cooled, fluffy quinoa with all the chopped vegetables. Pour the freshly made dressing over the mixture. Gently toss the salad until all the ingredients are evenly coated. For the best flavor, chill your quinoa salad for at least 30 minutes before serving. Enjoy this nutritious and delicious meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.